Welcome back to another book review. Today we're looking at a reprint of U.S. Marine Corps Technical Manual TM05538C-23&P/2. If we get a little closer here, this is the organizational and intermediate maintenance, including repair parts and special tool lists. We have already a table of contents on the outside. Introduction, organizational maintenance instructions, intermediate maintenance instructions, maintenance of auxiliary equipment. And then we get into the appendices, references, maintenance allocation chart, repair parts and special tools list, expendable supplies and materials list, illustrated list of manufactured items, torque limits, and an alphabetical index. Got your Eagle, Globe, and Anchor logo, NSN number, a little bit more description, rifle 5.56 millimeters, comma, M16A2 W/E. The original version of this came out, or the printing of this edition was October 1984. It may have been revised prior to that. Look on the back cover again, TM05538C-23&P/2 rifle, 5.56 millimeter M16A2 W/E 1005-01-128-9936, the NSN number. It is quite a thick document. I don't have a page count because they go by section, no page totals. So you can add up the total numbers here, but let's spend more time on skimming through the contents. On the inside cover, we have our warning with a scary logo there. Gets your attention. And again, we have a more detailed version of the table of contents with all the subsections. So you can see there the overview, general informations. Each chapter has its own overview, and then we get to the reference areas. So continues through Appendix F. And we have a little instructionals on how to use this manual. So this is your typical non-color photo. You got your figures, you're going to have tables, you're going to have text. Try to give you as much information in the event that you are by yourself and have nobody to actually confer with question-wise. And hopefully your answers can be found in the text or diagrams. So you can see we'll have breakdowns of various portions of the item here of the A2 version of the M16. And as you can see, a lot of step-by-steps to progress through takedown, maintenance, cleaning, and of course the reverse process to get everything back into functional order. So we can see section 3 is quite substantial. That has on its own 83 pages. Shall we focus? No. Let's see if we can get this to, there we go. So we're already in Appendix C. Transition, and we even have a little bit on the bayonet. Maintenance as well for inspection and repair. Here's your Appendix A references. So this being a reprint, just want to cover that this came originally from militariapress.com for the reprint. check them out for current contact info as well as product offerings. And you can also research other websites as to distribution of this reprint as well. So all the way through to the back cover. Yeah, we don't even have note pages as in some manuals. We have one right here, and you can scribble on the inside cover or within the ends of each chapter if it allows. So here's your alphabetical index at the end as well. Interesting how they subsection each topic. And the index is only 2 pages. So you can read that little footnote at the bottom as well. But we're just taking a quick look at U.S. Marine Corps Technical Manual TM05538C-23&P/2 on the rifle at 5.56mm M16A2. So this version of the reprint was based on the October 1984 issue. Feel free to check out other reference documents. Again, this came from militariapress.com. So it's been another book review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.